The African Apostolic Church of Apostle Africa, number 8, Jefferson Road, Logan Park, Yetfield, Harare. The oldest man in the Bible outliving all the rest is a man called Methuselah, who lived for 969 years. There may have been someone in the antediluvian days who outlived Methuselah, but the Bible has no record. Ernest Pomamvura Maja of Africa is probably the oldest of all living church leaders in present-day Zimbabwe, and perhaps the continent of Africa, if not the world. Born on 25th of October 1919, during the time of Spanish influenza at Holy Cross Mission in Chirumanzu, he was named Mamvura, meaning child of water, because his mother had little hope that he could survive infants. Not after long he was born, he got seriously ill with influenza and died. This prompted his mother to rush him for baptism, and the last rites at the altar in the church before burial proceedings were conducted. To the amazement of everyone present at the service, when the Catholic priest Father Schmidt baptized him in the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit, Mamvura sprang back to life. People who were present began speaking in tongues, saying that the child had been resurrected for God's work. God is using Ernest Pomamvura Maja of Africa to heal all the sick, and the people are relieved of their sufferings. Mark 16 verse 15. The apostles of Africa, Gauteng province, reckoning by Ernest Pomamvura Maja of Africa's words, given to him by God on 20th of February 2020, written in a letter by his personal aide, Evangelist Kasima, that Bishop Alfred Kushamisa Maja is the head of all. When we are at a church gathering, in the absence of this Ernest Pomamvura Maja of Africa, who is the Archbishop of the African Apostolic Church, we have been given a nickname Tsindondi, meaning pray without ceasing, because we seek God the same way he was found by Ernest Pomamvura Maja, in wilderness and in mountains. Luke 5 verse 16. We are cordially inviting you to a church